Butler, it is not just a job, but a lifestyle. One of the important elements or quality to become a butler is to be discreet, whatever happens. Butler should just keep it in his or her heart. It is very important to be very carefully of what the butler is saying. Dangerous make come from your mouth. Therefore, it is always better to keep silent and working hard.
Hello, Fat Cat, how are you? Yeah, all good. Oh, you see, I'm so busy all the time, even the boss is not here. Last one. Let me handle the rest, and then I have a chat with you. You know, Mr. Hippo is so stingy. He didn't raise my salary much, and last time he asked me to help him to drink with the guests. And I was drunk, you know, and then he just deduct my salary. He's just unbelievable. I don't know. Yeah, he's a nice person, but just too stingy. Yeah. Anyway. Thank you, Fat Cat. I will go to have my lunch. Good morning, sir. How may I assist you, sir? Yes, everything are done. By the way, sir, you look amazing today. What do you mean, sir? Really? I didn't know that. No, I didn't mean it. It's another person. No, please, sir, please. No, sorry, sir, I apologize. Don't deduct my salary, sir. You'll never do it again, sir.